I have white wine here, darling, and I have red wine here that we may or may not cook with. I'll probably just drink it. I don't like to steal his lines. That's what he likes. So the first thing we're going to do tonight is the chicken tortilla soup. And if David has been talking to you guys, and if you've been paying attention, you know that that's too much.
No, you're right.
That's
good. Don't be embarrassed.
Whenever you're making soups or broths, like we're going to do today, the enchilada sauce, this soup, I was not working with chicken today, so I do not have any chicken bones for you. But we're going to use chicken thighs for this because they have a little fat on them. And you really want to, what we're really going to do in essence is make our own little chicken jus in the bottom of this pan. Chicken jus. Yes. And if you see the chicken thighs, I haven't taken any of the fat off of them. I'm going to cook all that down in this pot, and then I'm going to saute my veggies and things in it, and it's going to be just delicious. And it doesn't have to be really small, tiny pieces. You know, we're not going on Top Chef.